Tim and I are both first-generation farmers. Having personal control and choice over our own food was really important. It's healthier for us and the planet if we can eat as local as possible. We're a small-scale, mixed-use farm. Right now we sell predominantly direct to consumers at the Wolfville Farmers Market. We also sell through our farm stand here at our farm. It feels great knowing that we can feed some of our community. Protecting biodiversity is the most important priority for us. We're extremely passionate about birds, bugs, butterflies, soil health. We get excited every year when the monarchs return. At the end of the day, what I'm the most proud of is sort of just being able to make it a richer ecosystem.